Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Nikon Z8 took the photography world by storm when it debuted in 2023, earning praise for its compact design and professional-grade features. However, it wasn't without its flaws. Now, as Nikon gears up for the highly anticipated Z8 Mark II, the stakes are higher than ever. Will it address its predecessor's shortcomings and set a new benchmark in the mirrorless camera market? Let's dive deep into the rumors, expected features, and everything we know about this potential game-changer. Nikon Z8. A quick recap. The original Nikon Z8 was celebrated as a mini Z9, offering a powerful 45.7 megapixel sensor, 8K video recording, and an advanced deep learning autofocus system. Despite its impressive capabilities, users encountered a few issues, including overheating during prolonged video recording, limited battery performance, heavier build compared to competitors like the Canon EOS R5. These shortcomings left room for improvement and set the stage for what could be a more refined and capable successor in the form of the Nikon Z8 Mark II. Nikon Z8 Mark II. Rumored upgrades and features. Improved thermal management. One of the most significant criticisms of the Z8 was its tendency to overheat during extended 8K video recording sessions. To tackle this, Nikon is reportedly working on advanced internal cooling systems, including enhanced heat dissipation channels and heat sinks, modular cooling accessories, such as attachable fan systems for prolonged video recording, redesigned body architecture, improving heat dispersion without increasing bulk. If these enhancements are realized, the Z8 Mark II could be a game-changer for hybrid shooters who rely heavily on video production. Battery life enhancements. The original Z8 used the ENEL15C battery, which proved effective for general photography but struggled with intensive shooting scenarios, particularly video recording. The Mark II might introduce a new ENEL18 series battery provides greater capacity and improved efficiency. Support for an optional battery grip to extend shooting sessions without adding excessive weight. Energy-saving modes, optimizing power consumption based on shooting conditions. These improvements could significantly enhance usability for professionals working in the field for extended periods. Enhanced autofocus system. While the autofocus on the Z8 was already impressive, the Mark II is expected to take it even further with AI-powered subject tracking, with improved recognition of animals, vehicles, and people. Superior low-light performance, offering reliable focus in near-dark conditions. Customizable focus modes, with more granular control over tracking sensitivity and speed. These autofocus upgrades could redefine the user experience, making the camera even more reliable in challenging shooting conditions. Lighter and more compact design. Although the Z8 struck a good balance between durability and portability, it was still considered slightly heavier compared to competitors. Nikon might address this by using lighter yet durable magnesium alloy in the body construction, redesigned grip ergonomics, improving comfort during extended use, maintaining its robust weather sealing, ensuring reliability in harsh environments. These refinements could make the Z8 Mark II a more travel-friendly option for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Upgraded viewfinder and display. One of the most requested upgrades is an enhanced electronic viewfinder, EVF. Rumors suggest the Z8 Mark II could feature a 9.44 million OLED EVF, delivering exceptional clarity and responsiveness. A fully articulating touchscreen, offering greater flexibility for vloggers and content creators. These changes would improve usability across different shooting environments, from studio work to outdoor adventures. Faster connectivity and storage options. Efficient workflows are crucial for photographers and videographers, and Nikon is likely to enhance connectivity features by upgraded dual USB-C ports, supporting faster file transfers and tethering. Built-in Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring seamless wireless communication. Dual CF Express Type B and SD card slots offer high-speed and cost-effective storage options. These improvements will cater to the growing demands of professionals who require fast and reliable data transfer options. Expanded video capabilities. Videographers are eagerly anticipating new video features in the Z8 Mark II, with rumored improvements including 8K recording at 60 FPS, with 10-bit color depth and extended dynamic range, 4K recording at 240 FPS, providing slow-motion capabilities without quality loss. In-camera raw video support, giving more flexibility in post-production workflows. If these features materialize, the Z8 Mark II could position itself as a serious contender against Sony and Canon's flagship mirrorless cameras. Expected price and release date. The Nikon Z8 Mark II is expected to maintain a similar price point to its predecessor, around $3,999, positioning it as a premium but accessible choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. As for the release date, speculation points to a mid to late 2026 launch, giving Nikon ample time to refine and perfect the camera before hitting the market. Nikon Z9 Mark II. What we know so far. In addition to the Z8 Mark II, Nikon is also rumored to be working on the Z9 Mark II, an upgrade to its flagship professional camera. Some of the most exciting rumored features include new XP8 image processor, promising faster autofocus and improved 3D object tracking. Global shutter technology, eliminating rolling shutter distortion for fast-moving subjects. Higher flash synchronization speeds, potentially reaching up to 1/1200s for studio and fashion photography. Dual XP7 processors, enabling unparalleled speed and power for continuous shooting. These features position the Z9 Mark II as a formidable competitor to industry heavyweights like the Canon EOS R1 and Sony A9 Mark II. Rumored release date and price. The Nikon Z9 Mark II is speculated to be released in early 2025, with pricing expected to be in line with its predecessor, around $5,499. Final thoughts. The Nikon Z8 Mark II represents an exciting opportunity for Nikon to push boundaries while addressing the limitations of its predecessor. With anticipated improvements in cooling, battery life, autofocus, and video capabilities, this camera could transform the creative workflow of photographers and videographers alike. Are you excited about the Nikon Z8 Mark II? What features are on your wish list? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official launch.